Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about normal heart sounds. Mainly there is S1 and S2. S1 is the first heart sound. We can hear it as lub, and S2 is the second heart sound and we can hear it as dub. So when we hear it in a simultaneous form, we hear it as lub dub lub dub lub dub. This is the heart sound which we hear. Then coming to the physiology of the heart, at first the blood it comes to the right atrium. Then in the right atrium through a atrioventricular valve it goes to the right ventricle. Then from the right ventricle it goes to the pulmonary arteries. Here also a valve is present. Then the pulmonary arteries gives the blood to the lungs, then to the pulmonary veins, and then from the pulmonary veins it comes to the left atrium. From the left atrium it goes to the left ventricle through a valve. This is also a atrioventricular valve. Just because they are present between an artery and the ventricle, therefore it is known as atrioventricular valve. Then from the left ventricle the blood goes to the aorta. Here again another valve is present, that is the aortic valve. Then through the aorta then blood goes out and supplied to the other parts of the body. So here we discussed mainly four valves, that is two atrioventricular and two semilunar. Semilunar is the pulmonary valve which is present here and the aortic valve which is present here. So why does the heart sound come? Because of the closing of the valves. Valves, they act as doors, or we can say the communicating channels between one part to the another. And valves, it also has another function, that is prevention of the backflow of the blood. So when the valves open, blood passes through, and when they are closed, it holds the blood within a chamber. So as I discussed, there are mainly four valves, two atrioventricular valve and two semilunar valve. The two atrioventricular are the tricuspid and the mitral valve. Two semilunar are the pulmonary and the aortic valve. When valves are closing, they make a sound in direction of the blood flow, where we can hear the sounds. So this is a diagram of a rib cage. Here we can see that in between first and second, so mainly in the second intercostal space, we can hear the aortic valve closing sound with an auscultation or with a stethoscope. So on the right side, again second intercostal space, we can hear the pulmonary valve closing sound. Then on the fourth intercostal space we can hear the tricuspid, or in between the fifth and sixth we can hear the mitral valve closing sound. So when we auscultate, these are the points where we find the valves and we can hear the sounds of the heart. Diastole and systole. What is it? Systole. Mainly the ventricles contract and push out the blood, so we hear the dub sound. And diastole, mainly the arteria contract and push out the blood, so we hear the lub sound. Here this is the right atrium and the right ventricle. So when the ventricles contract and push the blood to the pulmonary valve, we hear the dub sound, and when the arterioles it contract and push the blood, we hear the lub sound. Mainly the lub is known as the S1, caused by the AV valves closing. Where are the AV valves present? In between the arteries and the ventricles. Here we can see the AV valves. And S2 is caused by the aortic and the pulmonary valves closing. Where are these present? We can find it here. This is the pulmonary valve and this is the aortic valve. These are known as the semilunar valve. So it was all about diastole, systole, which we mainly need to know due to what mechanism do we hear the lub and dub sound, then the different types of valves, and mainly the normal heart sounds. Thank you.